On question 14 it says that Ray accumulated $4,000 in credit card debt if the interest rate is 15% compounded quarterly and she does not make any payments for 2 years. How much does she owe in 2 years? So I want to start by defining my variables. And we are looking for the future value, and the present value is the $4,000. The rate is 15%, so it's 0.15, and it's compounded quarterly, so that means n is equal to 4. And then t is going to be 2 because it's 2 years. So I'm going to do a is equal to 4,000 times 1 plus 0.15 divided by 4 raised to the 4 times 2. So if I calculate that, then I'm going to get $5,369.88. So that'll be how much she owes in 2 years.